Hi, welcome back to Educator.com. Today we are going to be discussing the basics of audio. This is going to be part one of a two-part lesson. In part one of the basics of audio, today we are going to be discussing what is sound. We're going to define it for ourselves. We're also going to discuss microphones and what they do. Then we are going to define 3 ways to categorize our microphones so we can better use them. We're going to talk about how they hear, how are they made, and how are they generally used. Let's begin. Before we get into the specifics of microphones, I want to pose the question, what is it? What is sound? And it's important for us to think about it so we can have a better understanding of how our microphones are being utilized to pick up the sound. So sound is energy that travels as a wave. And if you remember, energy is neither created nor destroyed. So microphones that we use, they actually transduce or transform sound energy. They take the sound wave and they transform it into an electrical signal. And then we can manipulate it through an audio board, audio console, mixer. And then on the way out, we can output it to some monitors, speakers that will then also retransform it back into sound energy. So this process by which the energy transforms with audio, we're going to refer to it as signal flow. So first we have a sound wave that's traveling around in our homes, our rooms, our spaces outside. That sound wave is picked up and it goes into the mic. It's absorbed by the mic. Inside that microphone, it transforms that energy into an electrical signal. Then we take that signal and through our cables, we're able to input it into what we call an audio console or mixer. At that point, we can increase or decrease the intensity of it, the loudness of it, change its frequency, and manipulate it in one way or another. After we've done that, we're going to output it back into a loudspeaker or a VTR. VTR is a fancy word for a videotape recorder or a drive now at this point. We're often not using videotape recorders in the same way. And then finally, it goes and it's transformed back into a sound wave. Again, this is called signal flow.